2, 1, go!
Qualification match 109 officially underway here on the Curie division of the first Robotics World Championship. 103 is going to tip in a piece of algae for one free throw attempt. They're going to make it 2 right over the edge on the net. Looks like 44-22 and their partners Red Alliance chop shop. Going to drop off a couple pieces of coral to give the Red Alliance the advantage. Moving on here to the teleoperated period. Red Alliance is taking the lead with a score of 52-28. Looks like Blue Alliance is going to come to life with the rookies from Ann Arbor. It's 10-6, 56, racing themselves on over, trying to evade some extra algae falling from the sky. Their partners, the Gondoliers, reaching themselves on up to drop off a piece of coral right on top with their partners 2046 bare metal, sinking in another piece of algae into the processor. They're going to go 2 for 2, sliding those on in for 12 points total. Back on the Red Alliance side of the field, 103 tipping in another basket into the barge for 4 points for the Red Alliance. They're going to maintain their lead of 105-72 with 90 seconds left to go. Both of these teams have put some algae into their corresponding processors, which allows them to make waves and move towards the cooperation bonus, which reduces that coral threshold. Back on the Red Alliance side of the field, the Twisted Angels starting work on level 3 of the Red Alliance Reef with their partners Chop Shop from New Hampshire racing themselves on over. They're heading over to the feed station to line on up and return their cycles, keeping those quick as possible while evading the Rata Toaster, playing some Rata defense on this Red Alliance. On the opposite side of the field, looks like 103, the Red Alliance Robot, even though in Blue Alliance territory, their prerogative is the Red Alliance Barge. They are the algae bot of that alliance, trying to score as many of those up into the barge, even taking them away from the Blue Alliance Reserve. 2046, the bare metal machine, is going to notice that, and they're going to start scoring some of their own algae in order to take that away from the Red Alliance. Back on the Red Alliance side of the field, 166 has now moved on to the other feed station in order to make some more room, grab as many supplies as possible, and start filling up that Red Alliance Reef. They've only got a handful of slots open on level 2 in order to get their ranking point. They are very close. Same with the Blue Alliance. Looks like they're going to complete their upper level 4 of coral. That means it's time for our final end game. Looks like Red Alliance still maintaining their lead of 189-157. Blue Alliance is right on their tail. We'll see how things shake out as the teams start climbing up on their cages. We got one Red Alliance robot up in the air, one Blue Alliance robot up in the air. Can their partners join them on either side of the field as time expires? And we will be back with your official results of that match in just a moment. Red Alliance, they're walking home with the win with a score of 198-176. A very close match. Red Alliance is going to walk home with 5 ranking points, 3 for the win, 1 for the auto in the coral. But the Blue Alliance is going to take home 2 ranking points, 1 for the auto.